Haters will tell you can't do it. Just know that you can do it. Achievement is something that is achievable, that is achieved. Sunkeys. We're on the mountain. No? I've been a hill. Is this called a hill?
Yes.
It's called a hill. And the sunset is down there. There.
They don't lower the flag.
The flag has been low for like.
Shut up. Hey! They're good to sell her.
Let me tell you something. Motivational speakers be like, there is no mountain that you can't climb. Amen? Haters will tell you can't do it. But when you look at the sun that meets the water, together with the fountains, with the Canada Goose swimming, right beside the dog park, just know that you can do it. Achievement is something that is achievable, that is achieved.
Motivational speakers with pink shoes. Fake motivational speakers.
If you look over there, you will see the dog park.
Oh.
And there are mini hills on the dog park. Perpendicular is me. Today's lesson is about achievement. Achievement is anything that's achievable that can be achieved. You don't have to drink Chivita to be able to achieve something. You don't have to be a chief to be able to achieve something.
Hey.
Focus. As the sun rises, so does it set. On top of the water, you will see the Canada Goose swimming. There's a fountain as well with people jogging. You know, gonna help me out my motivation.
Look to the east, far away. What do you see?
Hills here.
He's here.
Hills there.
Are there obstacles?
Hills everywhere. Haters will say there are obstacles.
Oh no.
But see them as steps that you have to climb. Look at it like a staircase. If you look at life like a staircase, you climb it one by one.
To the top.
I say you will climb it one by one.
To the top.
You never climb 1, 3, 5.
Hey.
You have to climb
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey.
You feel am?
I feel I'm
What did I say in today's lesson? Achievement is anything that can be achievable. That will be achieved.
Hey. Thank you.
Thank you. We are on a mountain.
Yeah. We had a good workout today.
Yeah.
Using the beach ball and the tennis court.
Yeah. Look at the sun.
Yep.
Look at the sun.
So pretty.
Oh my God.
Man, the best things in life are free. Number one.
Yeah, the
air.
parks. Oh yeah, air. And then the
air
parks,
that you
yeah,
breathe
taxis.
is free. The breeze you don't see.
Man, they pay me motivational speakers.
Motivational speakers will say, when you look to your left and you see dimple on the side of a friend or a blood, and your aspiration is to have a dimple, you smile off it. That was just
I'm a living example.
nonsense.
Your
How come you have
motivation
dimple in the family?
Because I'm unique. Wait.
Who be this the way they bring song now?
Somebody else is playing music here. That's good.
So sometimes it's just nice to come and sit outside and look at nature and just be thankful
and chill. And look at your sun. Your skin pops under the sun. The sun
yeah.
just-
How you know
When
the
you-
rinse, the
when
rain
you-
popping?
When you have common sense, when you drink water, when you mind your business,
Mind your business.
glow. You glow.
You can only mind other people's business when you are seeking for justice for the vulnerable.
Oh yes, that's one good one. And when you're
Yeah.
getting paid too.
When you're getting paid.
Yeah,
That's true.
when you're getting paid.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah, you don't mind your business.
You don't mind your business.
Let me show you all our view. My hand is paining me. The sun is literally setting. That's why it's looking a bit dark. Can you see the sun? Can you see the sun? Now you do not see the sun no more. Yeah, everyone, people are seated up on the mountain. All of us climbed up.
Everything that rise must set
Yes,
at the
and we are
appointed
watching.
time.
Ladies,
We are watching.
Do you see any car keys?
That is one. I must go there again and send it. Yeah, look at the sunset. Let me cover the sun.
Yeah, it's always nice to sit and watch the sunset for free.
And you see the waters, the fountain and everything.
You know, I was telling you something.
That's the
see-
dog park.
Now I
What are you telling
understand
me?
why they have the CEOs. Their offices are at the top.
Oh, so they can think better.
Nope, they can see everyone.
Oh, at the bottom.
You can see the view.
Motivational speakers.
Just
Be
common
like,
sense.
oh my god, that'll be common sense. You're a motivational speaker.
I don't do motivational speakers. I don't motivate.
There's literally so many mountains here.
Yeah, many.
So many.
And
We've
different
climbed like what,
angles.
2 now? One day we'll climb the rest.
Yeah.
And this breeze is much appreciated. Yeah, there's a
Yeah,
dog
very
park down there as well. Many parks have we been to in Toronto, but I still have more to explore. So thankful for this city, man. For all these free things. And look at the sky. Look at how beautiful it is. Eh? How beautiful it is. Imagine sitting down here or setting camera here from morning to night to monitor the sky. Planes have been passing, like 5 planes have passed already.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I wasn't observing them.
We were taking pictures when the planes were passing. Yeah. So we're finally able to watch the sunset whilst we were sitting down there. The sun just went down over there. And the plane is flying in the sky. So we're leaving now. Yeah, it's going to the airport to land. We're leaving now. This is the easiest route out. Down. There are some kites. Kites in the sky. The sky is so beautiful. It's literally like a painting. Oh my. Gorgeous. Who's that girl? Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Who's that girl? Okay, we are going. Oh.